Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Neverness to Everness game crashing or not working, not loading, keep stopping, lagging, freezing or other issues on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your phone once. So for that press the volume up plus power button and swipe to restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop, then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage option, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, launch the game once again and then check if it's working. If not, you should check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using mobile data, then go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa. And after that, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to check for the game update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Neverness to Everness game. And here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version. And after that, try to launch the game and check. If the game still doesn't launch, you can install a VPN app and then check if the game is launching or not. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps available over here. Install any one of it. After that, change the location and now launch the game and check. If not, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings, go below, click on system update, and here you will find if there is any update available for the game. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that, launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here, click on delete icon and click on uninstall. After that, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, that is Neverness to Everness, and finally click on the install option. So by this way, you can easily resolve the issue you are coming across while playing the game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.